Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off your DJI Air 2S. So to do this, first of all, we have to charge our batteries, and when you do this, all you have to do is just to click on this button once and then hold it until this indicator turns on. So let's do this right now. Let's power on our device, click and then click and hold. There we go. As you can see right now, this indicator lights up, the propellers are also moving, there's other lights, the sounds comes from our device. And to power off this device, you have to just do the same. So click and then click and hold until this indicator turns off. It's blinking, so right now we can release. And as you can see right now, our device is turned off. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.